Sensibility and practicality define the 2018 Audi A5. With fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle proves competitive in its price class based on its condition and value. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as power front seats, heated steering wheel, heated door mirrors, a power rear cargo door, remote keyless entry, and a blind spot monitoring system. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Audi ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.